Welcome to the 5th episode of Keenan and Adam's cooking show. Yeah!
Okay.
Welcome back after 1 week. It's been 1 week.
Today, special day. We're making some chocolate banana muffins, right? We haven't had one successful.
They've all been good.
They've all been good.
Oh, we got some almond milk. Ow! Adam, you always do this. Is this expired?
No, it's fine. Next one.
White vinegar. Flour.
I'm gonna go all the way downstairs and get flour, but it's just gonna look like 1 second. Ready? Turns out we don't have more flour downstairs. It's okay though, I think we can use whatever the hell this is.
Baking powder. We got some baking soda.
Can't force it. You just can't force it. He's gonna keep forcing it!
Careful, careful. Agave. New ingredient we're using. It's weird.
Count to 30 with me. 2, 20, 25, 3,
Ready?
2, 1. 1. Now this probably isn't the best way to do this.
Definitely not.
Where do we keep our funnels?
You're fun when you're with Elle.
My child, you may not know me, but I know everything about you.
A shot of vanilla extract? Okay.
Végétalien chocolat chips?
Criminally insane.
He's not somebody that has committed a crime out of passion. He's committed a crime because voices in his head tell him to commit the crime.
425. That's a steamy one.
Yeah. I'm asking, but I don't really answer. Is this actually expired? Oh, how do we get this cork off? Whoa! That was not worth it for that joke.
Wait, no, okay. Let's think about this. Last time we put too much. Okay. Welcome back to my vlog.
Trying to reach out to you, touch my hand. Reach out as far as you can. Only me, only you and the band.
Okay. So we gotta let this sit. Make sure you let that sit, okay?
Let's give it a nice seat. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, you just let that sit.
Chocolate chips aren't that good.
Large bowl!
Pistachios!
Flour!
Whose are these?
I think someone got them for Christmas. Like it was like a stocking thing. Stocking. They look like really big socks.
Mr. Gray will see
Good job, Adam.
Not really, I spilled it everywhere. 1 cup, 2 cup, red cup, blue cup.
Alright, I'm back at it, buddy. Oh, it's looking.
Yeah, it's just flour, so don't get excited.
That is
baking soda.
Give me a scraper. My fingers are wet. That's disgusting.
Mine are clean.
Mine are too.
Then why are they wet?
They're wet.
Okay, what's next? What's next?
Where are we?
Keenan, what is your favorite British breakfast?
I don't know.
Would you say bangers and mash?
British?
Did you do the cinnamon?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Trust me. I need a clean teaspoon.
Well, Keenan, can you catch?
Yeah, I can. Oh, yeah. Vanilla. Right?
Yeah. Where did we put the milk?
We finished it.
Oh, right. It's in the. Where'd it go? We were supposed to put it aside.
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it's sitting. Oh. That could have been so bad.
You could have been bad.
This is like science.
Okay, go. Mobile cam.
Oh, jeez. Christopher Nolan, is that you?
Ready. That's nice.
Were we supposed to do that?
I think so. It's gonna go through the hole.
What are you doing? They're coming in.
That's too much.
That's not too much. That's not even enough. What are you doing? Jeez.
What are you doing?
Have you ever made things before?
Look at how much that is.
That's not enough.
That is so much.
You're doing a me. You're just looking at
Look at this animal just going at it.
What'd that mouth do, man? Beauty. That's nice.
Are you calling it? First ever successful episode?
Knock
Jinx.
on wood.
Jinx.
Knock on wood. Knock.
Oh!
I can't believe you'd say that. It's kind of weird, Adam. You're just kind of filming me alone.
I always film you when you're alone.
What?
What? Okay, load her up.
They're ready. They're ready. Get a thing. Do this thing.
You put that in. Like, honestly, they look kind of dry, but like, they look good. Ooh, this one's clear. I think we gotta try them now.
Yes!
Well, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Well, hot. Well, hot. The whole wheat flour has made an impact.
Yes, you can taste it. In the
Kind
way.
of looks more like a cookie now.
Adam, what have you done?
No, the chocolate and banana. It's good.
You got that right. I think this is our best one.
That's probably true. But is it the best we can do?
Yeah, nothing to go crazy for. Tune in next time.
Next week.
Next week. Ready?